Good morning, this is Brad Langdon again from MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2022 Harris Grand Mariner 250. SL layout, very large sun pad in the rear. Seats fold up forward and backwards so you can face fore or aft. Walking forward you see the ottoman, very nice place to have a cooler. Large dash, two 9-inch Simrad screens, digital throttle, raised helm. Large seating area in the front, in-floor storage. This boat's equipped with many cup holders as well as charging ports. Whenever we have a cup holder. This boat has a second bimini, as well as a tower speakers. Very good view of the aft seating, ottoman, and helm chair. This boat is also equipped with a very reliable Mercury outboard 350 horsepower engine. If you have any questions about this boat or any other, give me a call. Lake Norman Marine Max, Brad Langdon, 704-215-3599.